In this video, we will cover the top 5 Chromebooks based on performance, portability, display, price, and review scores. I rated each with a score of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best. Links to these Chromebooks that I'll be discussing are in the description below. Chromebooks have started to replace PCs in record numbers over the last few years. This is primarily driven by the price point of these machines. For those that don't need the bells and whistles of a PC or a Mac, Chromebooks will do the job with less bugs, less exposure to viruses, and faster boot up times. If you're looking for a lightweight device to stream, surf, do homework, office tasks, or anything similar to that, Chromebooks may be a great budget option. Chromebooks do have their downside though. They generally have less storage space inside. Chromebooks users will usually opt to use cloud storage or just stream their content instead of storing it locally. If you want to use Microsoft Office on the Chromebook, you will either need to use the Chrome apps or web versions, which are more limited than the full PC versions. Or you can use Google's Google Docs, which is a productivity suite made for Google Chrome. Chromebooks are not built for heavy processing tasks, such as photo or music editing or heavy desktop gaming. So let's dig into the top 5, starting with what all these have in common. These all come with a webcam, Wi-Fi capability, touchscreen, 12 months of warranty, 12 months of tech support, and access to Android apps in the Google Play Store. We also chose 8 GB of RAM on all these for uniform testing. There is no Ethernet port on any of these. They are designed for wireless use, but you can purchase a USB to Ethernet adapter if you need to. And while some of these will flip back into tablet mode, none of them have detachable keyboards. Before I bring up the first Chromebook though, I kind of fibbed a bit earlier. I will actually be showing you 6 Chromebooks. The last one is a bonus. It's my recommended low budget option under $300. Now on to the first on the list. With an invincible tech score of 7.9 out of 10 and coming in at around $700, the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook is a 13.3-inch convertible laptop, meaning the screen will flip back into a tablet. It boasts a Core i5 1.6 GHz processor and 256 gigabytes of storage, which happens to be the most amount of storage on our list. It also has the highest display resolution with a high contrast 4K AMOLED display. And its processor performance is tied for 3rd on the list. Where it falls short is in slightly lower satisfaction reviews and its battery life. At 6 to 7 hours, it has the shortest battery life in the list. Next up, at $440 is the HP Chromebook 14C at an 8 out of 10 score. It is a 14-inch convertible Chromebook with an Intel Core i3 2.1 GHz processor and 64 gigabytes of storage, which is one of the smallest amounts of storage on our list. It also has an HD display, and its processor performance is rated excellent. This gives you plenty of speed for all your needs. Its battery life is between 9 to 15 hours, which should last you all day. And overall, it doesn't have any serious cons, but it does have a slightly lower satisfaction score, and the display does not have the best color accuracy. The next one, at $850, is a Google Pixelbook Go. We have 2 of these on our list, but this one is the option with a Core i5. It has a score of 8.9 out of 10. It is a 13.3-inch laptop and has an Intel Core i5 1.3 GHz processor and 128 gigabytes of storage, including an HD display. Its performance is rated as very good with plenty of speed, and its battery life is up to 16 hours, which should last you more than a day. It also comes in at 2.3 pounds, which is tied for the lightest on the list. Its higher satisfaction ratings did help its rankings, but between the display having some glare and its performance being rated slightly lower at a very good instead of excellent, and that it is not a convertible form factor, we will leave it in 3rd place. Next up, with a score of 9 out of 10, is another Google Pixelbook Go. This one has a Core M3 1.1 GHz processor. This $630 13.3-inch laptop provides an amazing punch for the price. At a lower price than its sibling in the number 3 spot, the only significant differences are its lower processor speed and half the storage at 64 gigabytes. But at over $200 cheaper, the price is the main reason why this inched out above the i5 version. The difference in processor performance is negligible when compared to the price. Now, topping the list is the Acer Chromebook Spin 713 at $620 with a score of 9.2 out of 10. This is a 13.5-inch convertible Chromebook with an Intel i5 1.6 GHz processor, and it has 128 gigabytes of storage. The display is rated excellent with extremely accurate and vibrant colors, and happens to be the brightest on the list. It's also the only one with an HDMI output port, making it great if you want to dock it at a desk. Performance and speed were also rated as excellent, and with a battery life of up to 17 hours, it does have the highest battery life on the list. It has no significant downsides. Now, on to the bonus budget option. This laptop came out on top of the list for Chromebooks below $300. The HP 14A with Intel Celeron N4000, a 1.1 GHz processor, earns that spot at $260. It has a convertible form factor, good reviews, average performance, which is good for surfing, schoolwork, or work activities. It also has a 13-hour battery life. Its HD display is rated as very good, with good colors and very little glare. This is a great budget choice for delivering strong performance and portability under $300. These Chromebooks do a great job at leveraging the cloud, and if you are one of those that just needs an inexpensive device to surf, stream, read emails, and work, one of these 6 will take very good care of you. The links to the lowest price of each of these are listed in the description below. This has been Vince from Invincible Tech, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.